Volume profile, one of the most hated concept right now in the whole industry. But guess what? 90% of the people who are trading volume profile are trading it wrong. So, my name is Mick, and in this video I will teach you how to use volume profile correctly. Plus, I will teach you one more concept that will help you to increase your win ratio in volume profile. So, firstly, we are going to start with components of volume profile. Now, this is the volume profile indicator. You will find it on TradingView. It is called fixed range volume profile. Now, what it does is, if you mark out a range on on your TradingView chart, it will get you a volume profile that kind of look like this. Now, what is a volume profile? So you see this zone and this red line. So this zone is the value area, and this red line is POC. Now, what is a value area and POC? Now you see there is two lines. The lower one is value area low, and the upper one is value area high, and the middle one is the POC. Now, value area low and value area high means the 70% of the volume or the 68% of the volume of that trading range is in this zone, and the zone high is value area high, and the zone low is value area low. I repeat, the 70% or the 68% of the volume of the trading range is inside that value area high and value area low. And the most volume of that range was POC. Now, this is the basic of volume profile. And now let's talk about high volume nodes and low volume nodes. So you see this mountain structure, and this is the small mountain structure. This is called high volume nodes. Now, high volume nodes is, let's suppose this is some value. Now, in this profile, here the lower valley structure is low volume node, and the high mountain structure, that is this, this, this is high volume node. Same in this profile. If we see, this is the high volume node, and this is also the high volume node. Now you see small valley structure here, and the whole this, and here. This is the low volume node. So currently we discussed about value area high, POC, high volume nodes, low volume nodes. Now these are the basic structure of volume profile. Now this was the basic of volume profile that I covered. Value area high, value area low. This is what everyone knows. But if you are that kind of trader that use volume profile, like who takes shots at the value area high and longs and the value area low, then probably you are doing it wrong. Yes, this is a very good concept, a good trading concept, but this doesn't work all the time. Now, why it doesn't work all the time? Because when there is a trendy move, if you plot a volume profile, then you keep shorting every change in structure or small pullback. So every small pullback you were shorting, that was a pullback, and you were thinking that was a reversal because it was reversing from the value area high. So this is half correct and half incorrect. The value area high and value area low, longing and shorting is a little tricky game, but we will discuss how to do it. Now, here comes one beautiful concept: acceptance and rejection. Now, what does this concept means? Let's suppose this is a choppy profile. So, whole day profile looks like this. Now, if I say you where you will trade, so your very first answer will be I will short here, I will short here, I will long here, I will long here. No, this is correct. No, why this is correct? Because the market conditions are choppy. Condition choppy. Now this concept works in the choppy condition. When market is in choppy condition, you get both shorts and longs on the very really high and very really low. But what if I told you that this was the today condition? How will you trade? If your answer is I will short here at the value area high, then you're doing it wrong. And that's where these concepts come, acceptance and rejection. Now, what is acceptance and rejection? Let's suppose price is coming from higher value and this is the value area low. Price taps it. Okay. Now, what's the concept of acceptance and rejection here? So, price is coming downwards. So, two things can happen. Either price comes here, break this, gives a retest, and continue downside. Either price come there, doesn't sustain, goes back, or price goes like here by touching the value area low. Now, here three things can happen. Besides this, nothing can happen. Okay, these are three fundamentals. Now, what are the fundamentals here? This is the case of rejection. This is also a case of rejection, and this is the case of acceptance. This is what you will use at value area low and value area high. This annotates the strong downward trend. Okay, this annotates the strong bullish trend, and this annotates a mean reversion. You will take the short here because price was coming down, and when price tried to break this and didn't accept back in this range, and this thing doesn't happen, and we see rejection downward to the like the parent trend. So this is the case of acceptance, that price is accepted below the value area low. This is a case of a rejection, that maybe price on higher time frame is very bullish, it just taps the value area low and flies. This is the very strong trend. Now this is the one of the tricky part of the volume profile, that price broke this low, doesn't sustain below the value area low, become choppy here and accepts here. Now here you will trade after the confirmation of the trend, that the trend is going higher. Here you will trade after confirmation that the trend is going lower. But here, if you see some kind of structure like this, let's suppose price gives an instant swing failure pattern. This is the my most loving pattern here, that is swing failure pattern. And this is what I love to trade in this last case. Although this was the rejection case, this was also a rejection case, but in this profile, or in this scenario, the trend was too much bullish, but in this scenario the trend was sideways. So price didn't went flight from the value area low, but instead it made a trap at trap, you can say, at the lows, that it trapped sellers, and buyers again get the momentum and they continue to the upside. So this was the acceptance and rejection pattern that you can use with volume profile. So it will increase your win rate by 60 to 70% if you're someone who was completely blindly trading as a volume profile. Just add this concept and you will thank me later. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you understand what was the logic of acceptance and rejection. So don't take it lightly. This is a very good concept. And yeah, that's it for this video. I will meet you in another video. Take care.